The biggest support to watch is at Nifty 18,181 mark. Weighing on sentiments are Chinese growth concerns, which are on the front pages. This Friday morning, risk aversion is a preferred theme with stocks in sell-off mode. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty likely to maintain negative stance as profit booking likely to be the preferred theme. Interestingly, the red ink at Dalal Street is despite the good news on the inflation front. The US Consumer Price Index (CPI) showed inflation rate was 0.4% in April, in line with expectations, and 4.9% YoY, slightly below the 5% of market consensus. The US Producer Price Index rose 0.2% month-over-month in April, slower than the 0.3% expected. On an annual basis, prices moved up to 0.3%, the slowest gain since 2 January 21 and slightly lower than expected. Long story short, lower inflation means the Federal Reserve is likely to elect not to raise interest rates next month, as economic demand is already declining. Technically, caution for bulls as long as Nifty is unable to close above 18,351 mark. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs bought shares worth Rs 837 crores while DIIs sold worth Rs 200 crore. Fando options data suggests Nifty's range of 17,500 and 18,500 zone. India VIX is at 13.21 levels. Nifty PCR is at 1.29. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.04. Nifty's outlook for the day suggests weakening momentum. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral to negative. Sentiment is likely to be precarious. Nifty's technicals are now suggesting overbought conditions. Nifty CMP 18,297. Nifty's intraday support seen only at 18,181 mark on closing basis. Biggest Nifty hurdles now at 18,351 mark. Nifty's range for the day is seen between 18,150 and 18,350 zone. Bias for the day, negative. Bank Nifty CMP 43,475. Bank Nifty's intraday support seen at 42,780 levels. Major resistance now placed only at its all-time high at 44,153. Bank Nifty range for the day at 42,900 to 43,600 zone. Bias for the day, negative. In yesterday's trade, the negative takeaway was that Nifty bulls struggled despite a soft US CPI. Blame it on China's CPI, which rose at their slowest pace in more than 2 years in April, raising concerns over the pace of China's recovery. Q4 earnings to trickle in today. Q4 earnings to trickle in today. Tata Motors, Cipla, Vedanta, DLF, IGL, HAL, Colpal, Polycab, HPCL, Manappuram Finance, Dish TV, IOB.